It's Daniel's birthday today, and he's at work. So our neighbor's son came back from Texas, and he has 3 big dogs, and him and his nieces were here, and then our dog went out, and so she was like fighting with the dogs, and Phoebe was in her first dog fight.
Go show him your alley.
Oh,
wait, come here. Look at me. Come here.
She needs to lay down. There's like claw marks right there. Now bloody. It was 3 dogs against Phoebe, but she initiated every single fight though, because once she stopped, they all just stopped and stared at her. Then she'd box them. But one dog only had 3 legs, so it was 11 legs against 4 legs. So we're redoing the art room to make it me and Abby's room.
How was it?
And
why do you want to show our yuck?
it's disgusting. There was a live one that crawled out. I don't even know what all of it is.
Phoebe, how do you feel knowing that you have an abusive boyfriend and you won't break up with him?
She doesn't want to talk.
Phoebe,
Did you see that?
she got. Look at her boyfriend did that to her.
So today's Daniel's birthday, as I mentioned before. It's also Father's Day, but we're on our way to go get Daniel a birthday present. What are we getting him?
Hagfish prowler.
Oh yeah, we're getting him a hagfish prowler. If you guys want them, I'm just gonna let you know, Ace does not sell them. Comment below what you're doing for Father's Day. My life almost ended at 3 o'clock on June 18th, 2017 because my mom was about to turn left at a green light when there was no arrow. Thanks, Mom.
You just lost your leg, not your life.
But you never know.
You look like that dog.
I don't look like a dog.
You look like the 3-legged dog Phoebe's boyfriend.
Oh, Maverick. Maybe Farm and Fleet has hagfish prowlers. I don't know. I'll have to ask. Everyone's in Farm and Fleet, but I left because they're taking forever. Now Gretchen's walking in, but I'm not gonna let her in the car, so she has to dance. Dance! I even got music for you. What?
I'm not dancing.
Sorry. Do one dance move. One, like a dab. Hit the quan.
Oh, gonna have to dance.
Come
Everybody sucked dancing, but I let them in anyway.
Tell me how to like hit the folks because I need some help. I just don't know what to do with my arms. Like
Your hair looks
like,
kind of weird right now.
It kind of looks like it's straggled.
Now we're at Kohl's, Kelsey's workplace. Somebody gave us a free trip to Hawaii because Dino would totally wear this.
It's Batman on a surfboard.
Who doesn't love that?
He loves Batman. Dino wanted a nice outfit, so we got him some shirts. Now we're looking for some khaki shorts. We're at Bed Bath & Beyond. And I'm wearing this hat because my hair is super, super, super greasy. Comment below if you've ever done that. Pretty sure the worker at Bed Bath & Beyond just laughed at Mom because Mom didn't say bye. How do you feel about being 17?
That's how I feel. What to say. Just for your vlog.
Yeah.
I don't know. It doesn't feel any different.
What do you wish for in this year of life?
To use a girlfriend.
Everybody hear that? Comment below! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Daniel.
Own song.
Happy birthday to you. I mean, it's Orb. Hi, Orb. Orb plays the piano. Orb likes art. Orb doesn't have hair.
What the heck is up, everybody? This is Gretchen. We are currently going to Chipotle right now for Daniel's birthday. Megan and Daniel and Abby. Our mother is not with us right now. And then we're gonna hit up the Family Fun Center, play some mini golf, I think. Yeah.
Whoops. Sorry. I've never eaten at Chipotle. Well, I've had their chips and salsa, like some, but I didn't buy it.
I don't like the chips and salsa because the salsa
And
is
I
chunky.
don't
like
remember
chunky
because it was a
salsa.
couple years ago.
Look at Megan's nice hair. Stop it. It's really greasy. It's horrible. Now comes the hard part, trying to decide what to get. All right, guys, we got our food, and me and Megan got a burrito bowl, and we've never had this before, so we're gonna eat it. Hey, we're supposed to take it at the same time.
There's a picture that was in the graduation. Not on the board, but I just saw it. The rest two I just struggled.
Not anything special.
And what?
Let's see how Megan feels about it. Megan,
How old were we?
how do you feel about this food?
It's kind of spicy, and I didn't
Yeah.
even get anything
I don't
spicy
really like
on
it
it.
that much. I feel like it could be a lot better. And
Oh my gosh, Greg.
I've heard a lot of great things about this, and it did not live up to my expectations. So the lemonade's pretty good though. Overall, I hated it. I would never come here again. So how was the food, Megan?
It was decent. The thing I liked the most was this container of sour cream. I've been spooning it out.
My favorite,
Forking it out.
my favorite thing was the lemonade.
Goodbye, Chipotle.
I will.
So our key won't go into the car thingy.
Is this our car?
I don't have Wi-Fi.
Effie, it's our car.
Just break the chip.
No. Mom.
What the heck? I'm about to attempt to put this bad boy in. Here we go.
I don't know.
Megan, did you crack your screen already?
The key will not go in.
It's our screen protector.
What the heck?
These are our keys, right?
Yeah. Comment below if you can help us. Let's see if the birthday boy can help us out.
Oh, it's...
I know the wheel's like locked. Anybody else feeling really hot right now?
It's really. Are we all videoing him?
gonna break.
Is the wheel like? Oh, how did you do that?
Magic!
I need you substantial. And you are not. And you are not. And you are not just a little bit. You're kind of funny. You're just kind of funny. You guys sound transposing. I guess, but I read it myself. Why do you like that?
Daniel got really upset because he wanted a hagfish prowler, but no one sells them. So we couldn't get him it. So we had to get him a multi-tool.
No.
This is what I got, Daniel. Happy birthday!
And I promise you will never get anything else like it. Here you
What is it?
Hagfish prowler.
This you saw it once and you were like,
Oh no! You didn't give me a pregnancy test.
I got a pregnancy test.
Oh, okay.
Just a
Just
toothbrush.
toothbrush.
Wait, what?
Wait, what's the pregnancy
I
test?
don't want to do this. What's going on?
Let's go.
What's going on? Phoebe! Hey Phoebe, are you still depressed because your boyfriend you had to break up with?
She's a strong. She had to fight back. She had to break up with her boyfriend because he was abusive. Ow! You see that? On my nose.
Like glossy.
Comment below if you like Daniel's new sunglasses.
Yeah, Ian, do you like them?
We're at the Family Sycamore Sports Center, and we're gonna do mini golf and go-karts.
I got it. Oh, it wasn't horizontal.
I blame Russia.
Megan just got a hole-in-one on her first try.
Okay, go ahead, Gretchen.
Gretchen got her ball under here, and now we can't get it, or find it, or see it. Can you lift the head up? I am going all the way. I don't.
Wait, just let it sit.
Down.
Wait, just let it sit. Wait, Mom, it's right there. Mom, it's right there.
What color is it? Oh, it's
Black.
It's
It's right here.
I'm expecting it to be a color.
Well, the color. I'm already bored. I was bored on the 7th hole, and now we're at the 12th hole. We're skipping till we skipped like 2 holes. At this point, we don't even care. We're just going for it. We're going for it. Get it? Last one. Here I go. Ball. Check. Club. Check. Feet position. Check. Put the camera under my chin. Check. Here I go. Oh. Oh my gosh, that was so close.
I got legit hole in one.
And yet again, Abby hasn't even started, and we have all finished.
I need to go home. I had to go to your tournament on your bronze.
Shout out to Ian for the sunglasses. Since I have sunglasses on and a hat, I'm really gonna be protected from the UV rays that aren't even out. Ian, comment below where you got these sunglasses at. Abby thinks you got them in Hawaii. What's up guys, it's Abby here, and we just got done mini golfing, and Mom got first place with a score of 42, but we skipped 2 holes, so whatever. And I got second place with a score of 45, so that's pretty good because I usually really suck.
I technically, okay, supposedly Daniel got third place with 47, but he said he lied. So I technically got third place with 48, and he got 4th place with something else. Wow.
Birthday boy thinks he can just cheat his way through life. Daniel just taught me some tricks, so not tricks, tips. So I'm gonna attempt to do this.
Abby's gonna get hit.
Wait here, bend this. Ready?
All right, we're done with driving our golf balls. So Daniel wants to do batting cages, but we want to go home.
For it. No, girls. Gretchen.
All right, let's go. Daniel hasn't played baseball in about like 5 years, so let's see how he does on this. Correction, about 6 years.
Ian, your glasses are kind of weird. Like, this one's really loose. And this one's pretty tight.
Another broke.
But don't worry, they're so good on, even though I dropped them. How do you feel going into
Feel
this?
great. I'm gonna hit like 2.
Ben, how do you feel after your performance?
Not good.
All right, me and Abby and Gretchen and my mom, everyone's doing the baseball. Last time I played baseball or softball was maybe 3rd grade. So here I go into the key. You know, I feel pretty strong right now because I played softball like for like 2 or 3 years back when I was about like 7 or 8. So
How old are you now?
I'm 21.
Oh, okay.
So I think that muscle memory will come back after a few
Yeah,
times.
yeah, I bet. All right, good luck.
I wasn't that strong. My form was a little off because I haven't had any practice in like
What?
10 years. So yeah.
Nice, Daniel.
Alright, here goes Abby. Oh! Oh! She's hit straight up. So far, she's not ready at all. Swing! Here goes Mom. She's in the zone. Look at her, all her might. We out of here.
Daniel, God. Come on.
Happy birthday, Shrubby! Phoebe says comment, like, subscribe.